on Kibo. Earlier today, the teams installed the MAXI experiment, which takes a look at different X-rays out in space. This in-orbit communication system will allow the Kibo laboratory to communicate with the control center outside of Tsukuba, Japan. Once they wrap up this ICS, the crew will then turn their attention to what's called Seda, which is Space Environment Data Acquisition.
Confirm that we are using EDU Alpha.
Get data from the EDU Alpha.
Thank you.
STS-127 mission specialist Julie Payette and Expedition 20 flight engineer Tim Coper are the ones that are working on this activity right now. At the same time, some members of Endeavour's crew as well as the Expedition 20 crew are talking with the team here in Houston, taking a look at tomorrow's spacewalk, the fourth that is planned for this mission. That spacewalk will be conducted by Chris Cassidy and Tom Marshburn. It's being replanned just a little bit to make sure that the remaining 2 batteries that were due to be installed out on the end of the station's truss yesterday are taken care of tomorrow, as well as the 2 that were normally planned for that spacewalk. So the teams are putting their heads together with the crews on board the station and the shuttle. And once they agree on a plan for tomorrow's spacewalk, we'll update you on that.
Scuba Station, Space and Ground 1, we're complete with EFU operations, and we are ready for step 9 to ungrapple.
Great news. We copy and concur. And this is just a reminder, give us a call after completing step 9.6.
We'll do that.